Hello and welcome to the new PageTrac training video series. In this video, we will learn about our new alerting system. Now, alerts have become much more flexible and allow you to set thresholds for supplies, error codes, stale DCAs, and even on page counts or dates. To begin, we'll want to start on our alerts page. As you can see, any existing alerts will be shown here. To create a new alert, select Create Alert Definition in the lower right-hand corner. First, we will give our new alert a name, and we will need to select the group on which to apply the alert. A new feature is now we can set alerts based on an entire account as opposed to just setting it on a single customer account. So if you wanted to have one alert to notify you of low supply levels for all of your customers, you could do that by simply applying that alert to your parent account. We can, of course, still apply alerts to our individual customer accounts by just selecting them from this list. You'll see that we also have a disable function. So if we do not want an alert to be active, we can simply disable it without having to delete it and possibly having to recreate the alert at a later time. We do also have another new feature to use advanced security. And by selecting this, we can select individual devices similar to our meter export if you are familiar with configuring that. We can also select users that can see this device or users that can edit this alert. So there's multiple layers of security on your alerts if you don't want anyone changing them. Next, we'll need to add a condition type and select the thresholds for which we want to create our alert. For the purposes of this demo, we will start with a supply level alert. As you can see, we've really simplified the process and allow you to simply put in a percentage threshold for your supplies. By default, it will look for black and color toner, but you can edit this and add supplies as you see fit. Once we have created our alert and set these thresholds, we simply save the definition down at the bottom. Now let's go back and say we want to add an error code alert. You can see we've kept the same standard bits up here at the top that you may be used to. However, we have also added quite a few code alerts down here in the middle of the page. So we can select from any one of these, and the alert will look to recognize these codes. We can still match a particular vendor code. We still have the ability to match an LCD display if there's something that you know that pops on the LCD quite often. And one of the better features is the addition of the occurrence threshold, so we can set alerts based on trending performance. For example, paper jams are not normally a major problem, but if we have multiple paper jams in a short period of time, we may want to have someone take a look at the device. So let's say we have 4 paper jam occurrences in 1 hour. So once we have all relevant information and our threshold set, we'll simply save our definition. Thank you for watching our training video on the new alert system in PageTrac. Please remember to contact PageTrac support if you have any questions. Thank you.